yard bad, she gon' go fast. Murder that pussy, I told tags. I be in mine, you should
It's your boy. We are back again with another video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe, hit notifications for your boy, and smack that like button. Let's run this video up to 1,000 likes or 1,000 views. I'll full send it. I don't know, like maybe I'll go hit some donuts somewhere and just fucking full send this shit. I'll come up with something crazy for you guys in an appreciation video. But however, today we are on E85, full tank, straight E85. I think it's like E87, E88. I know it's above E85 though. We're gonna do a little bit of POV driving. I'm also gonna talk about my experiences of driving the car as a daily on E85 and telling you guys the things I don't like and the things that I do like. However, we're gonna keep it inside the car today. We're not gonna do too much outside. What you guys seen just a minute ago, the startup and all that's probably the only outside clips we're gonna get today. However, we're gonna mainly focus on some POV clips where I'm showing you guys how the car drives and reacts. I do want to go wash the car right now, so I think this is a perfect time for me to get a good video in. And if you guys didn't know, I had a change of heart, man. The Mustang is gonna be going bye-bye and I'm gonna be buying a Subaru. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not gonna buy no damn Subaru. However, I do want to get one in the future though, replacing my daily car. So I'll basically be having like this Mustang and a Subaru like STI or WRX as like a daily car. And there's definitely gonna be some more content with that. However, I do have my mindset on getting a Fox body as well, so I don't know what I want to get yet. Like I'm in between. I saved up a little bit and I'm like, should I use it to the most responsible way, maybe invest it or pay off some bills, or should I buy a new car? I think we might be dumb, guys, but it's okay. We're gonna have fun being dumb. But guys, we are at a 55551 miles, and we've been on E85 for about 10,000 miles now, guys. It might be time to do some spark plugs or some injectors. I don't know. We will see what happens. However, I know that there's going to be some maintenances that need to be done on this car. And I might take advantage of my reward points that I have from Ford. And I think I can have over $200 worth of discounts that I can get. So I might go ahead and take advantage of that and let them do like my coil packs or something like that. Or take advantage of the oil change. Now, you guys know I am a lube technician at Subaru, and I can do it on my own, but sometimes it's nice to have another professional do the work on your car, and you sit back and just relax a little bit, because sometimes it's a little scary when you're working on your own car. Like, things can break, things can happen, and you know, you just gotta be ready for it, man. And yeah, however, let's get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. We're just gonna be doing a POV. We're gonna drive. I'm gonna let this car warm up a little bit. I don't like driving this car while it's cold, and that's something I will get into as soon as the car warms up and we start to drive the vehicle a little bit. Catch y'all in a minute. All right, guys, we are in the car now. I know I'm already like down the street and shit. However, I noticed that I was smelling like a burning smell. And I was like, I wonder what that is. So I went to check my oil. Mind you, I just did an oil change about 1,000 miles ago. And my oil was diluted as fuck. Like, it was hella low. It was about a quart low. So I took a drive to AutoZone, drove it very slowly, calmly there, and I went ahead and topped it off with a quart of 5W30 Motorcraft synthetic blend, which is what I used in it already. I'm also running Ceratec in the vehicle as well by Liquid Moly, because as you guys know, these Coyote motors, they tend to get kind of loud. So I am running a Ceratec along with 5W30 synthetic blend, and that's much what, damn, that car hit hella hard. That's pretty much what I'm running right now. And there was a cop that passed me, bro. He was looking so hard at me, bro. It's crazy. Like the police, bro, they just be looking for a reason. But right now we are in the Mustang right now. And we are just cruising right now. We're in regular drive and we are on a full tank of E85 at the moment. And the car feels good overall. Driving in regular drive. There's no slipping, there's nothing. It feels good. However, as you can tell, the hood is hella fucking big, so that's one thing to keep in mind with these cars if you get the Cervinis cowl hood. So you can't really see shit. But I'm trying to make it to where it's as visible as possible for you guys, so you guys can see. Right now we're just cruising. I'm taking the car down to go get a car wash and we get her nice and clean. And then after that, I think there's a car meet near the car wash that I go to. So I might head out to that car meet since it's like right next to it. However, your boy needs a haircut, so I do plan on getting a haircut hopefully today. But yeah, man, the car feels good. I was a little low on oil this morning, so I went ahead and I went to AutoZone, topped it off. I highly recommend it, guys. If y'all want to run some E85 and headers, man, go for it. You guys just got to take care of your oil, because if you don't watch out for your oil, it'll go low in cases like what just happened to me, where my oil was like below the second dot or the first dot, and that's extremely low. When you're running E85, you're technically almost out of oil. At least that's how it looks to me. However, E85 dilutes the oil a lot, so you definitely want to maybe run a thicker oil. You don't have to. You can run like a 5W30 and, you know, just keep checking it every 3,000 miles or keep changing every 3,000 miles. But if you do want to be on a safer side, you can run like a 5W50, like AMSOIL. I heard it, a thicker oil when you're running on E85 is a lot smarter, a lot better. But I'll get back to you guys as soon as I get on like a straight roadway. I mean, I'm in I'm in behind a whole bunch of cars. Actually, we chilling. This thing sounds amazing. Oh, I just had a little backfire. I had a little pop. I'll go ahead and switch it into sport for you guys. Downshift to 5th gear. This thing, man, gets you in a lot of trouble, guys. Just by how loud it is. Downshift to 5th gear, 4th gear. She's loud, man. She screams. Woo! It's downshift to 3rd, 2nd, 1st. Pretty smooth. Now, I'm not on a super aggressive tune. It's just a regular E85 tune. It's nothing too crazy. However, I do have the gauges pulled up so where I can see my spark and make sure everything is good looking there. You can see your battery voltage, engine load, spark. I don't know what the first one is. However, if any of you guys know how to read the alcohol levels, please let me know, because I've been trying to figure it out with this device. It's the Lund LRX device. I've been trying to figure out how to read the alcohol levels so I can know what my alcohol content is, and I need some assistance with that, so please let me know if you're familiar with it. Overall, guys, the car feels really good when driving on E85, so I highly recommend if you guys want some good power and you're okay with sacrificing a little bit of miles per gallon, I highly recommend it. Go for it. As you can tell, it rides nice and smooth, even on the up acceleration, accelerating from stops. Rides pretty smooth. I have no issues with it at all. And yeah, it's a good running car. I'm gonna try to get some more POV for you guys. Try to hit the freeway, but right now I'm gonna go to the wash station, and I'm gonna wash the car up and get her nice and clean. And I might pull up to this little car meet that's right here. All right, y'all, I just pulled up to the Hayward wash station. Y'all know where it is. If y'all in the Bay Area, y'all from Hayward, this is the laser wash. It's pretty much just high pressure water hitting your car and nothing else. I do not bring my car to paint beaters, and I hope that you guys don't either. So bring your shit to a touchless wash or wash it yourself. Don't be lazy. Guys, we are pulling back up to the crib right now. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, and I'm gonna start editing this video right now, so hopefully I can get it out same day. I appreciate each and every one of you guys that watched the video. If you're thinking about going E85, do it. The car feels great on E85.